What's the meaning of air dry? Air dry. Air dry. Air dry. Air dry. Air dry.
Air dry refers to the process of letting something dry naturally, without using any external heating or artificial means. When something is air dried, it is left to dry in the open air over a period of time until all moisture has evaporated. The result of air drying depends on what is being dried. Clothes will typically be wrinkle-free but may take longer to dry, while food may lose some of its flavor and nutrients but can also stay fresh for longer. Ultimately, air drying is a simple and natural way to dry objects without using any electricity or heat.